kuda teman.
For replay, don't need to make plans. It's all in your hands. I'm too busy. I'm